Today I am reviewing the CanaKit Raspberry Pi 5 Starter Kit Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The CanaKit Raspberry Pi 5 Starter Kit Pro in the sleek Turbine Black Edition is an impressive, all-in-one bundle designed to get you up and running with the latest Raspberry Pi 5 hardware and accessories right out of the box. Whether you're a beginner just diving into the world of single-board computers or a seasoned maker looking for a reliable and powerful kit, this bundle offers everything you need to explore countless projects and applications with ease and confidence. At the heart of this kit is the Raspberry Pi 5 itself, which is powered by a 2.4 GHz 64-bit quad-core CPU and comes equipped with a generous 8 GB of RAM. This is a significant upgrade in both processing speed and memory capacity compared to previous models, allowing for faster multitasking, smoother media playback, and more complex programming and development work. The Pi 5 is also well-suited for running demanding operating systems, emulators, and even light gaming or 4K video playback. One of the standout features of this starter kit is the included 128 GB EVO plus Micro SD card. This is not just any memory card. It comes preloaded with the official 64-bit Raspberry Pi OS, saving you the hassle of downloading and flashing the operating system yourself. The ample storage capacity gives you plenty of space for installing software, saving projects, and storing media files. The kit also includes a USB Micro SD card reader, making it easy to transfer files or create backups without needing additional accessories. Keeping the Raspberry Pi cool during operation is essential for maintaining peak performance, and CanaKit has you covered with their low-noise bearing system fan and a large black anodized mega heatsink. This efficient cooling system helps prevent overheating, especially when the Pi 5 is under heavy load, ensuring your device stays reliable during long hours of use. The Turbine Black case not only looks stylish, but also provides durable protection while allowing proper airflow. Connectivity and display options are also thoughtfully addressed in this kit. It includes two 6-foot display cables that support up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, enabling you to hook your Raspberry Pi up to high-definition monitors or TVs with ease. The kit comes with a powerful 45W USB power delivery power supply, designed to provide stable and sufficient power to your Pi 5, which is important for avoiding crashes and instability. With this starter kit, you're equipped for a wide range of projects, from programming and coding experiments, media centers like Kodi or Plex, retro gaming consoles, to home automation and IoT applications. The 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage make it ideal for multitasking and handling larger datasets or files. The inclusion of a high-quality case and cooling solution means you can use the Pi 5 for extended sessions without worrying about performance throttling. Additionally, CanaKit's reputation for quality and customer support provides peace of mind, making this kit a reliable choice whether you're purchasing it for personal use, education, or as a gift to someone interested in technology. The bundled accessories eliminate the need for separate purchases, saving you time and money. In summary, the CanaKit Raspberry Pi 5 Starter Kit Pro Turbine Black Edition is a powerful, versatile, and thoughtfully designed package that meets the needs of both beginners and advanced users. Its high-performance CPU, ample RAM, large storage capacity, excellent cooling system, and comprehensive accessories make it one of the best Raspberry Pi 5 starter kits available in 2025. If you want to unlock the full potential of the Raspberry Pi 5 and start building innovative projects right away, this kit is definitely worth considering.